Hi guys, so today I'm going to show a demo for the Redis Realtime. So this is a project I did as part of the Redis hackathon, and it's a set of packages for React and Node.js that can be used to implement real-time databases in with Redis. Yeah, and yeah, this is the architecture of Redis Realtime. So you'll be having a custom front end where you can just use a package called Redis Real-Time Client, and you'll be having a custom backend where you can use a Redis Real-Time Node package, and this will talk to each other. Like the client actually provides a set of APIs where you can directly talk to Redis, and this node package acts as a middleware for that. So yeah, let's go and look at the README of the React node package. And this is a very simple package where you just have to import the real-time package and just give your HTTP server and a DB name. DB name is just a database name that it uses for the Redis, like it's a Redis JSON database name. And this is the React package. So it's also available in the npm, and you just have to install it. Then there is a provider and a hook. Provider actually accepts the base URL where the socket is created, the DB name that we specified in the admin, like the backend, and there is secure flag whether the WebSocket server is secure or not. And then there is a hook that can be used to connect to the Redis. So there is a reuse real-time hook which actually provides two functions. One is a publisher and the other one is a subscriber. Publisher actually give a set of functionalities like set db, till db, array insert db, and array pop db. These work similar to the Redis functions like set json, till json, array insert, and array pop. And it also gives a subscriber, and that subscriber actually returns the data, and then is loading, like whether it's being fetched. This actually checks, like subscribes the key in the database, and whenever there is a change in this key, data is changed and error entry is happened. And yeah, now let's go ahead and look how to use this. So I have a minimal setup here, a VS Code and a terminal, and I'm just going to create a front-end application with Vite. So init, yeah, this creates a TypeScript Vite application for React, and then npm install npm run dev. Yeah, now I have a React application running in my local, and I'm just going to create a backend also. So cd include backend and npm init npm install express. Yeah, now just let's go next and go get an express app. This is a simple express app that we can use. Just go to copy. Oh, my bad. I can go into back and forth. Delete this. npm install express and new index.js file, and package JSON has an express. We're just going to add a script. No index.json. I can change this port to 5000 because our front end is running at 3000. I think it's ready. Yeah, let's run this. Yeah, we have a server running in 5000. Okay, now let's go ahead and install another our packages. So let's go ahead and install the real-time React package in frontend and the Node package in backend. Let's also go ahead and copy and paste this. Yeah, so we are importing the packages here, and let's also create this with the server with our server, and dbs make us db. Right. Now let's add this to the front end also. I'm just going to remove some of the things that comes by default, like npm start npm run tel. So our vtab is running. Yeah, let's put app. Yes, we have app here. Now let's go ahead and copy some of things. Like we have to add a provider, so we can just add it in our main.tsx. So yeah. Yep, now let's go ahead and copy this and put here, and yeah, that's it. And let's go ahead and add a real-time key. So I'm just going to copy paste. So we have a hook here that I'm going to use. Use real-time. It provided me a publisher, like it provided me a set function which I can use to update this text value in Redis, and a subscriber that listens for this value changes. And I'm just going to use an input here and an on change listener. Yes, I think that is enough. So let's put just any. Okay, so now let's restart this. Yeah, it's looking for server, WebSocket server. We don't have our server running, that's why it's not. Let's go ahead and start our server. npm start. Yes, actually, like it initiated a new connection, so WebSocket is now connected. Yeah, let's go ahead and restart. Okay, so yeah, we have an issue because we didn't change this TV name. Now we have a new DB name, and we can see that it actually connected and initialized our data. Let's go ahead and type something here. Yes, you can see that it's actually setting the database, and we can just go ahead and look this in Redis. So it is json.get. Our key is the database name, so it is in the custom DB, and our you can see that the text is hello, and just go ahead and update this, and this is updated. Now let's look how it works real time. So I'm just going to take this to my desktop, and I'm going to create a duplicate. So I have two hello world, the two real-time applications. You can just look at how it syncs with each other. this is it, and you can also see the logs coming, like the updates coming here in this database. So whenever I change here, it's actually set to the database, and this one is actually sending a set, and this one receives a set, and you can read all this. It maintains the state, it pulls it from the database and keeps it in the state. Yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I have actually created an example for this one, a real-time doc similar to Google Docs. I'll demo that now. Yeah, that's it. Thanks. Hi guys, so now I'm going to show a demo, um, like using our package. I have a demo I have created using the package, real-time package, and we have 4 windows of a browser here. Like we have a network tab listening to a WebSocket connection to our real-time backend, and we have the real-time backend running here. And I have also a Redis CLI here, so like I'm just going to show how it syncs with different browsers. So let's create a new document here. I'm just creating, like, it'll be hello, and I'm going to create it. Like you can see it instantaneously popped up in other browser windows, like it's actually pulling it from the backend from using WebSockets. And in the WebSocket you can actually see a new event created for DB insert, and like so our document is actually inserted into DB, and you can actually look in Redis. Yeah, so here it is. The name is hello, there is a date and some ID, and I'm going to create another one, like second doc. Yeah, you can see it actually added. So now let's take the second doc, like just take it in all the browser windows. Yep, so we have it in all the browser windows. I'm going to just type it in the first window, like let's see what happens. Yeah, you can just see like how it instantaneously pops up in other browser windows. It's actually like a documentation, like a rich text editor using Draft.js. So I'm just going to bold world. You can see it instantaneously popped up in all the browser windows. You can also see all these DB events that are sent by WebSocket, which actually updates the Redis JSON DB in the backend. And there is more options like H1, and now we can just go and add a code block here. Yeah, code block print. Yep, this is a code block, and there are other options of rich text editors like italic, underline, and the best thing about is it's replicated in different browsers, so it's actually real time like Google Docs. So you can actually build real time Google Docs similar kind of things with Redis pops up and Redis JSON. Yeah. And now let's go back to the docs. Another functionality we have in this doc is delete. Yeah. Let's go ahead and delete the second doc. Delete here. You can see it is deleted in all the other windows. Yeah. It's actually instantaneous, and like if we edit it in any one of the tab, it will actually show it here. Again, just edit it in multiple. Yeah, you can actually, now let's go ahead and edit it in different browsers. Yeah, hello. I can just put word here, and put that as a heading in this tab, and let's underline this tab. Oh, where is UL? Sorry, it's underline. Yeah, these are the tab, like these are the WebSocket inputs and outputs. Like you can see, like these are the responses that you get from WebSocket connection. Like it says subscriber connected to the WebSocket and getting back it here. And these are the events actually updating the database. Yep, that's it.